Hi, and welcome to CTEK. I'm Åsa Johansson, and in this tutorial I'll talk you through the different operating lights on the Njord Go portable EV charger. But before I start, I'd like to say a big thank you for buying CTEK. When you first connect the charger to a CEE power socket, the CTEK logo will light up, along with the battery level indicator turning white. This means that the charger is switched on. When the battery level indicator is flashing blue, the charger is searching for a device to connect to via Bluetooth. A device will need to have the free CTEK app installed to be able to connect. The flashing will stop once the Njord Go has been connected to the CTEK app via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, or once it's been connected to the vehicle. Once connected to the vehicle, the bars on the battery level indicator will start rising in sequence. This means that the charger is charging the vehicle. Once it's fully charged, the battery level indicator will switch to a constant light. If the battery level indicator turns red, there might be something wrong with either the power connection or the charger. Please remove the charger from both the vehicle and the power socket. Then connect it to the power socket once again. If the temperature around the Njord Go is above 50 degrees Celsius or 122 degrees Fahrenheit, or below -30 degrees Celsius or -22 degrees Fahrenheit, take it somewhere that is room temperature, that is around 20 degrees Celsius or 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep it there for 3 hours. If the battery level indicator turns white when you reconnect to the CEE power socket, then you're good to go. If it turns red, do not connect it to the vehicle. Instead, please contact our customer support. And that is what the different operating lights means on our Njord Go portable EV charger. Thank you for watching.